Done. Okay, can you see it now? Okay, fine. So the server name is DMGR, and that's why it says DMGR over here. Okay, so there are two methods of starting up a server. Okay, you can use a customized script or you can use a basic script. So customized scripts are scripts which is especially for that purpose, like for example start manager.sh. So this is customized in a such way that uh, the normal usage of the script means like it will start a DMGR server. Okay, so but if you open the script and if you find it out, it will call another script called, it's the actual method of starting it up, start server.sh space the name of the server. Okay, so if you want a clarification of the name of the server, you can copy paste this one. Okay, to check the status of the server, you can use ps-ef. Yeah, you can do that. ps-ef grep of that particular process, sorry, the server name. Or now this is little confusing. Why? Because when you when you issue the start command, the process will be created. Okay, so when the process gets created immediately, now if you give psf grep dmgr, you will find it, but it will not be started. Okay, it's still starting. So but when you find it there, you will find it like it is started. So it's not reliable. Okay, so what is reliable then is server status.sh -all, or you can give an individual server name like dmgr. So instead of all, you can give dmgr. Okay, so when the security is enabled, every server, for example, if you have 5 application servers running, so it will ask for each server status, it will ask for username and password. Okay, so this is how you have to check it. So second entry in server index.xml. Second entry in server index.xml is the deployed application. Okay, so whatever in the application is deployed, that will have a entry to this deployed application. Okay, the third one is the special endpoints. Huh? Okay, you want the line of it, right? You good? Okay, so next one is the special endpoints. So you have endpoint name 1 and 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You can keep it in any order, there is no problem to it. So the cell discover, as I said you, is how the node discovers a cell. Okay, so you will have um, for this cell discover. So for enum na2, NA means node agent, to reach or to check on DMGR. Okay, and then you will have the node underscore discovery underscore address. So this will for the DMGR to check or reach a NA. So that will be configured in node agent server index.xml. Okay, and then bootstrap, as I said you, that one it is soap connector port. So soap connector port is being used for several purposes. um, the major two purpose we use it, one for adding or removing a node. Okay, any type of node. Okay, adding or removing a node, and other one is for other major purposes for synchronizing node. The node agent has to be down for this purpose because this is a manual synchronization. Okay, so we can use the soap connector address on this one, and also you have to note that only the DMGR soap port is used. Okay, and then you have the what are the important ports, like you have 4 ports: admin host underscore secure, and then you will have another port called default port that will not be available here, that will be available on the other one. Which other one? Which other one I'm talking about? Yeah, default host and default secure. So where it will be available? It's not there here, it's not there. Can you see it? Okay, fine. It is only available for the application server. Okay, whatever the application server you configured inside the application server profile, except the node agent, you will find the admin host and also the default secure, default host and default host secure. Okay. Okay, so this is to access your admin console. Okay, so next one is accessing your port number. Now we know which port number is being used right now. It's telnet localhost 9060. So this is the acknowledgement you get if the ports are open. Okay, I will tell you the different ways where we can check it, right? So first way is this one. First method is telnet, simple telnet. Okay, so if still you're not sure, second method you can use, that is second method is next step FNEN grep for the 9060 port number. So it should say listen or listening. Okay, in Sun Solaris it will say, I think, listening. So it either has to say like that, and then or else you can that's the two methods you can use to get that done. So if you want to go for tunneling, this is again I have kept the software somewhere. Okay, so the method of tunneling is um it's like the ports are not open, but it's actually you are able to run this from the local system, but you're not able to run this from the remote system. That's that time you have to use tunneling methodology. Okay, so you have to open your T configuration, and then I will show you something. So this is the server. I'm saying load. Okay, so when I go to this SSH, you have tunnels. Okay, so what I can do is like you can take a note of it, something like that. So the source port has to be 7003 and destination has to be the server name colon the port number. Okay, so I can access this server via my localhost 7003 port number once the tunnel is tunneling